It is bright out right now, and I also would like to welcome you to my third vlog. I have a small little beard going on right now. It seems like every single time I do an intro, I have a different facial hair game going on, so we'll see if I can continue that. Probably am gonna run out of options soon. In this installment, I arrive in Bali, I acquire a villa, I go to an awesome sauna, Bali Dacha, love that place, hang out with some friends, make some new friends, get outside the house, and yeah, just live my life. So I hope that you enjoy checking it out, and make sure to give it a like if you do enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and leave a comment and let me know what you think after you finish watching it.
What's up, guys or girls? So after getting to interact with these awesome chooks, later that night I head out to Paradiso and get to see an awesome dance performance and a bit of an impromptu rap from an up-and-coming artist. What's up, everybody? I am just leaving my friend's house in about half an hour, who I've been staying with for the last 3 days or so while I've been here in Bali, over in the Ubud area, and been having an awesome time here. The internet's horrible.
Like, I love my friends, but the internet does not compare to their awesomeness. Like, I just wish like I had like the awesome friends and the awesome internet.
Oh yeah. Internet trumps all though.
Yeah, pretty much. This is actually really interesting. I kind of like a bet check bet, just because like I'm not sure he's gonna call twice with like a random 6x necessarily, and like we're not really ecstatic if he ships here, to be honest.
But we survive. Haven't done much grinding. I played 13 games, but on the 13th or 12th one, I think, my internet went out and it was not good. Somehow managed to finish the game though. But anyways, here's a little background of where I'm staying. This is from the balcony. And I am moving into my new villa, which has, number one, a very nice internet connection, fiber optic, etc., which will be good because I gotta get back on the grind and being able to upload videos. Yeah, it's got a pool, it's really nice, really cheap still, even though it's really nice. So that's one thing I really like about this place. And yeah, just lots of really cool people and nature and nice weather. And I'll make a little bit more of an update probably in the next couple of days.
She got a manicure today, so...
Not long after acquiring my villa, I head out to a tea ceremony. Your hand looks very impressive in the video, I must say. My dad's name
Really?
is Michael, too.
Yeah.
You're joking.
I miss him so much today.
My dad's name is Richard. I miss my dad,
Oh,
too. My grandpa's name is Richard, by the way.
Wow.
Yeah, all these similarities.
We are all one.
Yeah, I love my grandpa. He's an old German man. He's like 90 something.
My dad is German.
Aww.
Yeah, here we go. Now we got the video looking on point with the light and everything. I feel very, very official at this point in time. Now I'm gonna look in the camera and see how I look. Oh, this is a good way. So that is like that. Here's like this. So yeah, cool. Talking to the camera, saying what's up. Hope you are all doing well. Had a long grind day. It's about 7:30 in the morning, but been working on the sleep schedule, but today, screw it. Just grinded hard, and I feel good about that. Chester! Yes, Bedlana! They're doing businessy stuff. Here's some quick shots I got at an event at Kasia, which is beautiful and awesome. Yo, so I just finished playing about 2-hour session or so of spins, and I checked out my results, and I had pretty nice results at the end of it. And then I found myself sitting there and being like, I don't really want to play more. I had a nice Chippy V day, won some money, you know, just be good to have a nice day. But games are still good, and I took a little break, and I just wanted to make this video because I wanted to share the fact that even me or myself is not immune to that almost, not winner's tilt, but that sometimes feeling you get, you know, maybe if you hadn't been doing this well for like a session, which I had that really horrible session Chippy V wise, and then I had this current session where I did really well. You're like, oh, I want to book a win, this and that, but you got to think about the long term, and you just got to grind, put in the volume. The games are good, keep playing. If you play 2 days from now, if you play an hour from now, if you play right now, just pick the right times to play. Don't be afraid to keep putting in volume, and maybe my Chippy V will go down, maybe I'll lose money, maybe I'll win money, it will go up, who knows. But you gotta be consistent, put in the volume, don't be afraid to put in big sessions and big days, even if you've been doing well during that day so far. So I just wanna make this video in the moment and try and capture my thought process and what I'm feeling and all of that, and just share it with you. And you, or you all, I guess is the proper way to say that. So yeah, gonna get back on the grind. Hopefully this video has some value for you all, and I will catch you all later. What's up, everybody? I was going to go get some groceries and then kind of chill tonight, swim, had a long work weekend, but my buddy hit me up and he invited me to go to a Russian sauna. So I am gonna go do that. It's called Bali Dacha, and his partner actually used to work there and be the manager, which is also kind of cool. And yeah, just wanted to make a little update, and I am actually gonna get a quick workout.
Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Yo, it's a lot of light. Let's turn that light off. Yo, just finished my workout. I'm kind of getting in good shape. Like, it's happening. It's nice to see some progress. Continue the journey. Get more ripped, get more strong, stay consistent. But I'm gonna go get some food because I'm hungry as
time to order some food and then go get some groceries while it's being made, and then probably eat it in the car, I guess, or maybe when I get home.
hello, just take away.
Food has been ordered. Now it is time to go buy some produce.
Oh, buddy, you tripping? Here, I'll get this light out of here soon.
Super cool. Frog. Frog life. Thug life. All day long.
Sauna gear, check. Cosmic, swim trunks, towel, excessively large water bottle, clean set of clothes.
Let's get it. I'm walking to Bali Dacha, and there's a pretty funny map that I'm showing the video here that Jess just sent me. But yeah, let's see if we make it there alive. I don't think that I found the right place. I'm gonna keep looking.
Welcome to Bali Dacha, Bali's finest Russian sauna.
Oh my gosh.
Paradise.
So official. So official. Oh my god! Are you melting? How you been, man?
Shit himself. bad, sorry. I'll just film it all.
So good. Shower.
Up there is the freshwater natural spring fed pool.
Dude, that sounds pretty nice.
It is for later, dunking.
Yes.
What's up? I'm sitting in a circular chair, and yeah, just having a good night. Pretty peaceful over here. Really enjoyed the sauna. Hadn't used one for about a month, and pretty happy to have done so. Felt like getting out of the house today, and I did, which was great. I got to hang out with a few friends, make a few new friends, and be an actual social person. I, even myself, being a crazy, intense grinder, I still do like to socialize every once in a while. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video and me showing you a little bit of when I go out and do some fun stuff. And I will catch you all later.
Oh, have we made it?
We've made it.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
Sick.
it's documented.
Oh yeah.
Do
Trying.
you want to have a little look inside?
You guys want to be in the documentary? Yeah. I'm stoked. I haven't been to a sauna in like a month, so I need it. 100%.
That's not even more love it. I haven't been in like
Yeah,
2
it's
years
getting quick.
before.
Oh, whoa.
Oh. Here is an atypical version of it.
What's up? How you doing, girl? Hopefully my camera doesn't die.
Amazing.
Hey, you're technically a hot hippie chick, so the people, the horses will be happy. Say hello to the people at home.
Hello, people.
This is
Hello
so
from
sad.
the hottest place in the world at the moment.
Yes. Oh my god, I'm starting to fog up, but I don't even care.
Yeah, I'm happy you
Is
made
it-
it.
I found a hot hippie chick. Hot hippie. Wait, oh god, it's so. How do I get the light on you? It's so hard to tell. You're.
I don't know, maybe I should probably reverse the
Yeah. I'm gonna do this. Hang on.
The light doesn't go on.
Yeah.
Stealthy style.
Oh, there we go. There we go. What's up? How long did I meet you? Like 2 minutes?
Yeah,
ago,
about
yeah.
2 minutes ago.
She's really nice though.
Hi guys.
Yay! See, I found one. There you go, Paul, whenever you see this. There's two dudes getting real sweaty. Real sweaty.
What we do?
That's what we do. He's funny. He's really funny. I'm gonna miss this guy. Come back from Australia? Promise? Okay, good. As long as I get your promise. Data?
Not data of material.
Yeah,
Yes.
probably. I probably should get more of like me talking.
Yeah. It's pretty exciting stuff.
Look how smart Jester is with his
I'm
glasses.
so smart.
I'm picking his nose with a big finger. Svetlana! I'm blocking you. Bye! We're leaving now. Awesome time here.
just made it home. Very, very, very hungry. Worked up quite the appetite. Sweating a lot. It was a really cool experience. It was a lot of fun. Nice hanging out with some friends that I knew, making some new friends. Also, there were a lot of half naked or fully naked attractive women there. So I'm pretty sure it's a plus EV move to go there more than once. Yeah, it was chill. She's also a pretty hot French chick, but sadly she's leaving Ubud tomorrow, so wasn't really much point in pursuing that further, but she was pretty cute, so maybe I'll find some other hot hippie chicks. I did think that I took a video of a few of them just to give the fans what they want. Not when they're like naked and stuff like that. And I also like asked them if they're cool with being on video. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed that. I am very excited to get my food on, my nom nom nom. And yeah, just good to get out of the house, ready to get back to the grind after I fill my belly.
Did you enjoy the vlog? I hope that you did. If you didn't, that's okay too. Let me know in the comments. But hopefully you did. Because if I get a bunch of comments saying that my vlogs suck, then I'll just be a sad panda. Very, very sad panda. Sad hippie panda, though. Anyways, random thought aside, if you didn't already, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.